Hi, I'm Jimmy Tanzil from Zone.io. In the past year and a half, I have been creating over 400 tutorial videos on YouTube under the Salesforce Training Tutorial YouTube channel. So right now we have a lot of playlists of the complete Trailhead series from Admin Beginner, Admin Intermediate, Admin Advanced, Developer Beginner, Developer Intermediate, Developer Advanced, or App Exchange App Development. And then I have some other specific playlists such as the NPSP, also the DLRS, and I'm right now working for Salesforce Admin Certification series for preparing Salesforce enthusiasts for the first admin certification for their career. So, I would like to present this opportunity for us to partner together. Right now, hundreds of my videos have ads on it, but it's not very relevant on the advertisement itself. For example, if I choose this one here, as you can see, it's an advertisement about cars, and I would like to better equip our students as well as maximize the revenue from our YouTube channel by having your App Exchange product to be advertised to thousands upon thousands of our students that watch our YouTube videos every day. So this channel is being updated every single day. I am actively uploading new videos on a daily basis. So having your App Exchange product displayed on the ads will be much more relevant for our students to see the ads. Rather than seeing this car ad, it'll be your App Exchange product. So in the past 28 days, our channel views are up more than 100%, around 62,000 views, and watch time around almost 4,000 hours. Subscribers count is increasing by the day, and revenue is also increasing. And I would like to even boost the channel more by having a much more relevant advertisement on the channel. This is where you come in. As you can see, currently the channel have 5.7% click-through rate. This is with totally random ads being shown to the viewers. Now, with an App Exchange product being advertised on each and every single video, this would boost the impression click-through rate significantly. So if you see this as a good opportunity to gain exposure, maximum exposure of your App Exchange product, please watch this 1-minute steps on how you can reach and target our YouTube channel specifically from Google Ads. To start putting your video ads on our channel, go to your Google Ads campaign, create a new campaign, and you can choose brand awareness and reach. And then we're going to choose video. We are going to choose skippable in stream, or you can also choose non-skippable in stream if you would like. Depends on your preference. Let's choose non-skippable. So by going to placement and then choose YouTube channels and type in Salesforce Training Tutorials. That's our logo. So check that box. And now your specific campaign for your Google Ads will be targeted to specifically our YouTube channel. The opportunity is for you to advertise your App Exchange product as this channel grows. So as we keep adding thousands and thousands more students that wants to learn Salesforce on a daily basis, you get to present your solution in front of Salesforce administrators, developer, or future admins and developers on a daily basis. Thanks for watching, and I hope to partner together with you.